Hey everybody, good morning. Well, it's morning here. In fact, it's 6:05 in the morning, East Coast time. I'm up early. This is if you've been following along, this is the base coat for the stencil, concrete stencil project that I'm doing in this section of my lockdown backyard patio makeover. This is actually going to become a grilling section. That planter is going to be for fresh herbs. There'll be a grill and some tables and stuff here, and some coverage, but right now that's tomatoes over there. So this is just the setup here because I'm going to do a final top coat, and in preparation for that I'm going to lightly sand the surface, the painted surface, because I want to have the best adhesion possible. I also have just some cardboard to protect the surrounding concrete that I don't want to be touched or marred. And those are my supplies. Those are my sanding block and some loose paper, sandpaper that I'm going to wrap around my sanding block. That's my second shooting video for my iPad. I also have a fan here that I'm going to use for speeding the drying time. All right, let's get at it. Okay, so you just finished watching the time lapse of me painting this final base coat for the concrete stenciling project. And here I am with my trusty, yes, it's a small fan, but it is powerful. And I'm just trying to speed up the drying time, you know. And now I have a little bit of cleanup with the paintbrush there. And I'll be moving on to doing some test stencils. I painted some cardboard with this color so that I could have some area to do my practicing on, right? Practice makes it permanent, right? Don't want to get on the actual concrete and find that, oh, whoa, hold up, you know, and I'm messing up. And also, I have been so privileged to receive a gift of the stencil that I'm using from Rhythmic Walls Designs, creative founder and designer Leslie Nesbitt. So if you haven't seen the videos with her handing the stencil off to me through social distancing, of course, really check it out. I'll put a link of that in the description below. And I am so excited. I also do some taping of me doing the practice stenciling because that may be of help to other people. I mean, I've stenciled some before. It's been a long time. I've never stenciled on concrete. I've stenciled on walls. So let's see how it goes. Talk to you later.